Morning, old Jack here on the grinder. You know, the ab crunch is only one of countless ab exercises that we can do. However, it does appear to be one of the most common that we do. Are you doing your crunches all wrong and totally limiting the effectiveness of your exercise? I mean, you could do a lot of quantity reps that are ineffective versus quality. Let's go over 6 points of a good ab crunch and see if we can improve on your ab crunch. Point number 1, mind-muscle connection. You know, when we do bicep curls, we don't just grab a dumbbell and flail our arms up and down, right? No, we grab the weight that we're going to use and we focus on the muscle and on the exercise. We focus on the concentric and on the eccentric, and we think about what we're doing. Well, the ab crunch is no different, okay? So I want to focus on those muscles. That's point number 1. Point number 2 is drawing the navel to the floor as I press my lumbar spine to the floor, okay? So right from here, I'm pressing my lumbar spine to the floor. I want to make sure there's no space in there. All right, then I draw my navel in. That motion in itself helps to eliminate that little bit of a belly bulge that we get sometimes when we do a lot of core work or a lot of crunch type work. Sometimes you get a little bit of a bulge. Well, when you suck that navel down to the floor, that helps prevent that. Point number 3 is we want to engage the abs. That means tighten them. So you can see the difference between just sitting up and when I engage them first. Okay, you can see that. They're engaged. That means they're already in a tightened condition and they're ready to work. Okay, number 4, I execute the crunch and I exhale as I do it. All right. Number 5, I pause at the top. Hold it maybe 2 seconds. Let that muscle get worked. All right. And then number 6 is to inhale on the way down and relax your abs just enough to get air in. And repeat. So number 1, mind-muscle connection. Focus on the abs. Number 2, draw that lumbar spine to the floor as well as the navel. Number 3, engage or tighten the abs. Number 4, execute the crunch while exhaling. Number 5, pause at the top. And number 6, inhale on the way down and draw in some air, just enough. And relax just enough to get that air in. Remember, it's not how many crunches you can do that's important. It's the quality of them that's important. Same goes for any exercise. We know that. Finally, remember not to grab and pull on your neck while you're doing these things. Don't tug your neck. If you notice, I keep my hands either here or here, and I allow my ab muscles to do the work. There's no pulling with the arms, okay? So just right here is fine. Okay, if you're not doing it that way and you start doing your ab crunches this way, I guarantee you'll know the difference in how you feel the next day or the day after in your core from doing them. If you have any questions, any comments, hit me up. Make sure that you hit that like button and the notification bell for weekly information on all different kinds of Grinder PT work to make your Grinder PT exercise day better. Hang tough. Old Jack out.